if I have a text like this, text equals I dot data dot txt, I have two dots. I want to replace the dots, so I go like this, text dot replace the dot with a dash. Good. So let's print that out. So what is the solution for this? The solution is to save the replaced text to a new text, because replace just copies the text, it doesn't save it. So now here now we have added the new text to text2 variable. Voila, here we go. Here we have another issue. It has changed both dots. I want to change the first. So I go like this, change only the first occurrence. Here you go, it changed only the first occurrence to dash and left the other one free.